I'm going to chant an ancient Vedic text here, just a short part of it, called the Rudram. It's a very powerful text, and often they'll use this text while they're doing sacrificial fires. The air here is a little thinner, so I can usually chant a lot longer on one breath than here. 6,000 feet above sea level. Om Gananam tva Ganapatiga Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Nashvin Vandutibhisida Sadhanam. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya Om Namaste Rudramanyava Utote Shave Namaha Namaste Astudanavane Bahubhya Mutate Namaha Yate Ishu Shivatama Shivam Babhuvate Danuhu Shiva Sharavya Vatayano Rudramridaya Yate Rudra Shivatanura Gora Papakashini Tayanastanu Shantamaya Girishanta Bichakashi Yamishun Girishanta Haste Bibarashastave Shivangiri Tratam Kurumahi Gasi Purusham Jagata Shive Nadvachasatva Girisha Chavadamasi Yathana Sarvami Jagada Yakshmago Sumana Asata Adhyavocha Dadhi Vakta Pratamo Daivyo Bhishaka Ahiganscha Sarva Anjambayan Sarva Aschayatu Danyaha Aso Yastamro Aruna Utababru Sumangalaha Ye che Magarudra Abhito Dikshu Shrita Sahasrasho Vaishag Heda Imahe Asoyo Vasarapatini Lagriva Vilohitaha Utainam Gopa Adrishan Adrishan Daharyaha Utainam Vishva Bhutani Sadrishtom Hridayatinaha Namo Astu Nilagrivaya Sahasrakshaya Midushe Atto Ye Asya Satvano Hamtebhyo Karam Namaha Pramuncha Dhanavanastrwamubayo Rartniyorjyam Yaschate Hasta Ishabha Parata Bhagavo Vapa Avatatya Darishtvagam Sahasrakshashate Shide Nishirya Shalya Namuka Shivona Sumanabhava Vijam Dhanuka Paradino Vishalyo Banavaga Utta Aneshan Nasyeshava Abhurasya Nishangatihi Yate Hetiramidushta Mahaste Babhuvate Danuhu Tayasman Vishvatastvamayaksmaya Paribhujja Namaste Astvayudayana Tataya Drishnave Ubabhyam Utate Namo Pahubhyam Tabadanavane Parite Danavano Hetirasman Vrinaktu Vishwataha Attoya Ishudistabare Asman Nidehitam Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Triambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikalagnikalaya Kalagni Rudraya Nilakantaya Mrityunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha.